Okay, big day. We're gonna tackle this headliner and hopefully get this window tint off and vacuum, get rid of the nasty. So check this out. This is a truck catalog from 2005. Look how cool that truck is on the cover. Okay, so this is the headliner, and it's kind of a fiberglass. It's super fragile. It's pretty delicate. And so yeah, I think I'm gonna do some spray glue and we'll glue it down, and it should be pretty easy. Okay, so it took me a little while to figure out the technique, but this is a heat gun, and basically you just have to give it some heat and let it get pretty warm, and then it seems to come out or come up off in one piece, and you just gotta pull slow and easy. And so it's just kind of been inching along. Oh, scared me. Okay, so now I'm gonna consult with the internet and find out what's the best chemical to remove this glue that's left behind. I'll show you the other side. Oh, I still got this little window. Crap. Then here's all the pieces from the passenger side. And there's something about that cheap do-it-yourself window tint. When it gets old, it turns purple for some reason. And yeah, it just looks like crap. So I'm glad to have it off. I'll get that glue off of here some other day. The inside's looking great. I'm going to take the back off of this seat. It's just a few screws and a bolt there. And that way I can just give Linda, the upholstery lady, the back and let her see what she can do with it. I'm also going to check out, there should be a cargo light up here, and it appears to just be a piece of tape over it. So I'm going to check and see what's going on. So there appears to be like some white tape, very heavy duty tape that someone's put on it. So they must have taken off the cargo light and put the tape on. So I'm just gonna do the heat gun again. Okay, so I got the tape off, the tape. I don't know where this guy bought his tape at, but it was insane. It's like glue or something. And I fished out the wires. Someone's cut it and taped it off, so I'm gonna need everything, the lens, the bracket. I'll see if LMC has it. And yeah, hopefully can put a nice little cargo light on here like there should be. Okay, so I got the back off of the bench seat, and we'll take it in and we'll see what Linda can do with that little tear. So according to the internet, any kind of high-grade solvent will take care of this glue, and I have some pretty fancy paint thinner here called Mona Lisa. Oh, it's super pretty. I don't think Mona Lisa is doing much. This is more work than I wanted to do on this. I mean, it's coming off, but it's pretty slow. Well, the internet also recommended acetone and Goo Gone. So we'll try that next. Okay, so I got the visor out here, getting ready to start working on it, stripping it down. The truck is at peak ugly right now. I'm ready to clean windows. And I'm also gonna take out this trailer brake. It's a weird old trailer brake, and I'm not sure what people were trying to do with it. If they were trying to disconnect it or make it... It's got a brake line going into it, which I'm not familiar with those. I'm just used to the electric magnet ones. So I'm gonna take it out because there's no connections at the rear, so I don't know what they were trying to do. And yeah, it's coming out. It also looks like whoever was doing the wiring only had red wire. So everything they did is with red. And so, yeah, I think this definitely needs to come out. Well, he might have been a good rancher, but he was definitely not an electrician. This is the wiring that was going to the tail lights, or to the trailer and tail lights, I guess. And this was all melted from the exhaust. It was really close to the exhaust. And then this is the power for the CB, and it was just you can see the bare wire here. He had just crammed it up into the fuse box, one of the fuses, and it was supposed to be a 10 amp fuse, and he had crammed it in there and put in a 30 amp fuse. So I don't know, that's a little scary. This is the brake, the trailer brake. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up some of that. I did patch some of the plastic had cracked, and I did a little plastic glue and patchwork here and touching those up a bit. So while I was doing electrical stuff, I took the strip of lights out from the visor. We'll see if these work. I'll be shocked if... Hey! Look at that. They all seem to work. Huh. Oh, that's cool. Nice. I'll still clean it up some. It's got a lot of patch pieces put in, so cool. So I think I left all my 1980s fuses up in the Fox body. So let's go up to the Fox body and get some fuses. Maybe I didn't. Aha. Okay, I got the windows clean. The acetone is definitely the way to do it. All the gunk is off from the window tint. And yeah, some progress. It is late. It is time to go in. Tomorrow I'll work on the visor, start sanding, and hopefully paint it tomorrow. I got something kind of cool I'm gonna try. And yeah, it should be pretty awesome. I'm gonna work on cleaning up this visor. Okay, the wind picked up, so I had to move into one of the greenhouses. And so yeah, I primered it real quick. Red oxide primer, my favorite. And the underside got painted satin black, so I'm gonna mask that off real quick, and then we'll shoot the white. Okay, so here's what I'm excited about. The turbo paint. Supposedly this has a 10-inch spray, and yeah, I figure this is a good time to try it. I've seen a friend of mine recommended this actually, and then I saw some YouTube videos and look kind of interesting, and I thought, well, I just need gloss white, which is pretty simple, so let's try it. Oh, wow. Whoa. Wow, I was not expecting that. Okay, so this is kind of wild. I think I like it. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry up a little bit and do a second coat, but I like it. I got some dirt in it. It's so windy. Yeah, some dirt, but that's all right. We'll call it patina. Okay, so this is the second coat and it looks good. I'm gonna give the turbo spray a thumbs up. I wouldn't want to paint anything smaller than this, because I mean it comes out pretty fast. I got 2 cans. I thought I would use 2 cans, and this barely used half of this one. So, you know, you can see some dirt in it, and that's fine. You know, I didn't use any filler on this. I just sanded what was there, and good enough. I mean, this is a work truck. It's a Silverado. It's a ranch truck. So, you know, a few little bumps and scratches on it be just fine. So, yeah, cool. Okay, so this is a good place to wrap things up. I gotta go to a birthday party, and so yeah, hopefully we can start putting things back together. The box of LMC stuff came in and the visor's painted, so hopefully it can start going back together. Hope you enjoyed things. Hope you learned something. I know I learned some things. And yeah, have a good night.